James Hardie siding doesn't take a ton of maintenance. That's one of the advantages that it has. You're able to buy a product that's pre-finished in James Hardie's factory under the perfect conditions. And so once it's up, there's very little that you need to do to maintain it. Occasional light power wash will help it keep the siding clean. You can also go through and check the caulking once, probably every 5 or 10 years to see what if there's anything happening there. But for the most part, there's very little that you need to do to maintain your siding. That's why most people purchase it. So James Hardie is on the hook for 30 years. That's a non-prorated warranty, 30 years. But there's nothing to say that it's not going to last longer than that. And really, after 30 years, after 20 years, if you wanted to change the color, you would have that opportunity to do that. Whereas with vinyl or steel siding, if someone wants to change the color of their siding, they're going to have to replace their siding. With this, since it is a paintable product, you're able to put a different color on there. We've been doing James Hardie here in Minnesota since the year 2000. It's been around since 1981. They went to some of the southern markets first, and there's still projects that have the original finish on them from 2000 here in Minnesota.